So what I'm going to do right now is show you how to load this. I pop the cover off, I slide this in, and make sure this little nozzle here goes inside. Now there's also a cutout here, that a little flap here it has to rest in. So I'm going to put it in like this, just like that. And now I can lock it down. After the canister's in there, you're going to want to lock it down with this. If you have your nozzle on, it will not lock down. It has to be in the off position. That's a safety feature. Put it in the off position, and it locks into place. This unit also comes with one nozzle here and a fitting that you can hook this up to an external fuel tank. Now I'm going to start this up, and how I'm going to do this is I'm going to pull this ring out. It's what they call a choke ring. I'll pull that out, turn this on down to maximum, and then turn back, and it has a self-igniter. We're lit. Now I've shut this off for me to prepare my meal. Now what I really liked about this, and I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go to the website and check this out. I got this off Banggood. But what I like about this is you can see this one button here. And that allows me to push this in and flip it up. Now I have my space heater right there. And then all I have to do for cooking is push that button in, and it goes and locks back into place. Now when I first got this, it was sliding past it. I actually had to push in on this and straighten this piece of metal out a little bit, and now it works. But it was just barely catching, probably during shipping or something. It didn't take much to fix it. So what I'm going to do now is cook myself up some brunch. So what I've got in here is a little over 2 cups of water. And also, if you can see that, it's about -5, -6 right now. And that heater is not made for backpacking. I brought it in here just because of the size. It don't weigh a whole lot, but I figured why not take it to the bush and see how it works. Now this is more or less for car camping at a campsite. If you're tenting and you drive your car to almost a spot and such, it's not really for backpacking into the woods. I'm about a mile back, but I threw that in the pack and just what I needed. So it was fine for me, and I just wanted to let you know that it's not something that you pack in all the time. Now at these temperatures, it's going to be a very good test to see how this does out here for boiling water and making my meal. This also comes with a pot ring that just sets on top like that, and then you can take your pot and set it right on. Now I'm going to light this up and see how it does. Keep your hands warm as well. We've got some steam going and such. What I like about this as well, I've got it on maximum, but this you can also turn down so you have adjustable heat. So if you wanted to just simmer, you could. Very good option. I thought this was pretty cool just because you could cook with it, and it's also a heater. Now it's recommended, and to use this only outdoors. This is an outdoor heater. It's used in well-ventilated areas. In this cold, it took right around 10 minutes to make this, or make these noodles. But it also did quit once. This is a gas stove. It's using butane. And a lot of times in these temperatures, they don't work right. And this one here was sputtering and such. It worked great for a while. But then it was sputtering a little bit because of the cold. But still, I got my meal. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below. You can check this out. It might be something that may be of use to you. I really enjoy noodles on a cold day. The broth and the noodles, a nice warm meal. It's not much, it's cheap, very budget. It's probably not the best for you, but I really enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, and take care.